Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to buy this CatzCoin on PancakeSwap and on Trust Wallet. So to do this, you will need to have BNB coins on your wallet. So to do this, to buy BNB coins, you can either buy them right here on Trust Wallet by clicking on buy BNB and entering the amount. But Trust Wallet has higher fees than, for example, Binance.com. So I highly suggest you to use like Binance.com, and I will also leave the link for 5% deposit bonus for you in the description for Binance. So you will get more coins, and after that, when you will buy BNB coins here, you're gonna buy BNB coins on Binance, you're gonna need to transfer them here to your Trust Wallet. So you're gonna click on receive it on your app, you click on BNB and copy the address of BNB address of your Trust Wallet, and you paste it to Binance and send BNB coins here. After that, you're gonna click on browser here and scroll down until you see PancakeSwap. If you don't see this browser button, you will need to enable it by going to your Safari, pasting this link and clicking on go. After that, you're gonna click on PancakeSwap and you need to connect your Trust Wallet here. So you need to click on connect Trust Wallet, and that's it. After that, to buy this token, you need to be on exchange section here. On settings here, the slippage tolerance should be 11% or lower. And also you will need to select the currency here, but you need the contract address of this token. So you go back to CoinMarketCap, you copy the address here, the contract address, and you paste it to your PancakeSwap. Like this, you choose the coin, you enter the amount, and you buy it. That's it. That's how you buy CATS. And after that, guys, you may not see it on your wallet, so you will need to add it. So click on the top right corner here on settings and try to find this token. So it's here it is. So you're gonna toggle on this button, you click on done, and here is your token. So that's it, guys. So that's how you buy CatzCoin on Trust Wallet and on PancakeSwap. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye.